Good morning, everyone. I'm gonna show you this job. We're in the progress with the framing part over here at this office. Just want you to take a little peek, see how we're doing things around here, and we'll start from here. All right, I'll show you right now. Good morning. Good morning.
Only 3/8. 3/8.
Electricians and plumber are doing their job right now, and right now we're finishing the framing. Hey, boss. Let's say hi to the boss. Say hi, boss. This is the mastermind of this job, and he's a little busy right now doing some work. This is the whole project. Thank you for your business, Mr. John.
Good to see you.
I got a
I
new
like when you're here.
Of course, that's the main part. Thank you for watching, everyone.